Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline. It will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we given there daily signals. The link of our Telegram and Discord is it down in the description of that video. Yes, is it VIP and paid, but it's only $10 and you get highly education there. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, crypto market it melt down here. As you see it, a lot of people it came to the margin call, a lot of liquidity happen here. That a part of the game. Sorry for those ones who lose, but that a part of the game. You need to accept it, like how when you winning, you need to accept it, and when you losing, you need to accept it. That's a part of the game. So here in the daily, should we close the longs as we got them from down from 15k? No, not yet. Should we buy more? Me today I just buy, as I showed you yesterday in the videos, what me I told you in those videos yesterday. When we touch here the 50 moving average, me I buy 25% from my capital. When it touch here the 100, I buy 25% from what it left over in my capital. And now when it touch here the 200 moving average here, I buy 25% from what it left in my capital. And if it fall down more, I will buy more. I will tell you exactly where to buy if it fall down more. You see that low here, that one here of those candles here, I will not tell you the level. It's you need to do some work, because over here is different than your broker, but it's going to be here at 24k something, as you see it. If it fall down here, buy more, guys. Always buy 25% from your capital. Everything is too clear? Should it fall down? Till now, the market is showing to us maybe we're going to fall down more, as you see it. That's what it's telling us, because us today we close below the 100 moving average. For us to know the market will reverse, we need tomorrow to come a daily candle and to break above that level here for us to enter long. If it doesn't, that man, the market is going to continue falling down till it will touch a lower here. Who make the market to fall down like that? Is scaredness from recession and what Fed said till now. Should we be scared now? Because fundamental us we are very close to the halving cycle. Yes or no? Second thing, for the bull market to come back again, what we need? We need the Fed to pivot hiking interest rate, and that it will not come today or tomorrow or next month. So we need to wait till more. And me I tell it to you when we used to be here. I told you August and September, it's always red months. Yes or no? Now what shall we do? Because we got here a trend line is going up, and today is getting broke here. That candle here is closed below the trend line here. Shall we close in the low? No, we need to wait until the weekly candle when it's closing here. Then also we're going to make a decision based on that. Another thing, very important here. Let me show it to you in the daily. You remember that indicator of us, that one here, it's enter here to oversold area. That's a very high chance for you to buy, guys. That's why me I buy when we touch the 200 moving average. Yes or no? Another thing, let me show it to you. Is it that one? That indicator of us, it's enter here to oversold area. Should we buy now at this time? Till now, no. We need a price action. Like how it happened here. You remember, people that been with us, they remember that. Till we're breaking above here. Because we've been here at the oversold area. Till now, the same thing. You need to wait on a price action. If there is no price action, that one is just an oscillator. You don't need to follow it. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see coming news for today. For pictures to get more clear to you. So it's going there. Coming news for today, as you see it, guys, Is it here? That's what we got today. We got CPI of the Eurozone. As you see it, even that one is another story. It's going to come at 9 o'clock. That meant early in the morning. So we don't need to care a lot about it. The previous one, it used to be 5.5. At this month, the forecasting here of investing, it's telling us it's going to come 5.3. That's good news. But for the Bitcoin, it will not affect the Bitcoin too much. And here, look at it, is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here. What it's telling us today. Market still falling down. Let's see tomorrow what's going to happen. But US market is still falling down. Me just buy more today, and that gives a signal in our VIP Discord to buy more. But that one is going to be for long term. It will not be for 1 day or 2 days. It will be for long term. So us we hold them for years, not 1 day. That's why us we buying. And down here is our friend the VIX. The VIX is telling us everything. Currencies go back a lot. As you see it, 17.89. Just few days we used to be 13. Now also we are 17. Currencies go back high very, very much. Plus here, that one will make all those problems. Is US dollar. US dollar is still going up. It's very close to 104. Now also we are 103. That's why you see everything is falling down because of the US dollar. So even that one you need to be focused about it. Now let's go into 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours, guys, for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. As you see here in the 4 hours, the Bitcoin, even here, it's being falling down, big falling down. So those ones, they being holding from that double top. Also we enter in it short. They make very, 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 very nice profit. Also we close it just here. Me personally, I close it just down here at that level here. I don't think, in my opinion, it will fall down that much. If it fall down that much, we'll never be a rich person today. But me, I close it just here, and I tell it even to the people they follow me. I told them I close it very early. As you see it from here, I close it me here. But look at it till where it fall down. Not a part of the game. That's how us we trade, because us we're respecting those levels. But me, I don't see that one, that the first, second, third, and in the fourth couldn't hold here. But me, what make me to close it is that candle here. If you see it, the market here, it give us here a pin bar, and that pin bar, it happened in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. That's why me, I close it here, exactly that candle. Then it came that candle here, and I want to push the Bitcoin all that much today. Not a part of the game. Now what shall we do? Shall we enter long? Shall we close the long we have before? Not yet. Yes, also now we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it from here, now you are in it. And Bitcoin, it show here a rejection here till now. But we need to wait in a price action here to give us the market. If there is no price action here, we're doing something like that, like a trend line like that. We need to wait till it's getting broke here for us to enter long. Till now there is nothing here. So us will wait, and even if all our indicators they enter to oversold area, but we need to wait in. That's the only thing I can tell you. Now let's see our indicator, was it saying today. Our indicator, guys, you remember when we are here, me, I told you, us, we haven't touched the oversold area. You remember it, people, they being with us, they remember it when we enter in that short. Now, look at it, it enter here to oversold area, like how it happens last time here in the overbought area. Now we enter here to oversold area. Now what shall we do? It's need at least to camp out here for us to make a new decision. Till now us we still below in that level. That man, the market, it's still bleeding. Till now there is nothing. Don't thinking of chopping along, just stick. Now if you're holding a short, just stick with it. All this if we see a price action, that when we are going to make a new decision. Now the market here, you need to focus about that trend line here as you see it. Even that one I'm not going to focus about it. Me, I'm going to focus about the chart. If there is anything new, I'm going to tell it to you in our Discord or in our Telegram. That way me every time I told you to join us there, but it's up to you. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying today. Even that one, same thing as you see it from here, as we enter short from the double top. But me, I told you, me, I close it very early here, but we'll never hold the tail down here. That's a part of the game. As you see today, we touch a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Now also we are in it. Shall we enter long, because our indicator is down down here at the oversold area. Should we enter long now? No, my friend, there is no entry long. As me have been teaching you, we need a price action and you need to be patient till you saw a price action. So now for those ones they enter from here, those ones they making very nice profit because they remember when they break in here till down here, as you see it, those ones they making very nice profit. And now here also we are waiting what's going to happen, if we're going to enter long or no. But we need, for us to enter long, we need a price action. Till now there is no price action like how it happened here last time. You remember people they been with us, they remember it very well. We enter from here till top here. Now us here, it's need the market to bounce here because that one is a falling knife and it's too dangerous to try to catch it. It's need at least to bounce like that for us to enter long. Till now there is nothing, so us we need to wait in more. I think picture is too clear guys here. Now it's going to 30 minutes for scalping and day trading, so it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, me I enter along from here yesterday, from here, because of that pin bar I just show you in the 4 hours. Because it market give me here a double bottom here, but it reverse on me. It hit my stop loss. That's a part of the game. But if me I hold it from here till down here, how much will that have a loss? That's why us we using stop loss when we trading with leverage. Now here at that level here, market he tried to give us here a double bottom here, as you see it. Should we enter long now? For scalping and day trading, not yet. We need at least that one, as you see it. You see the trend line here. It's need the market to come to break it here for us to enter long. That for short term, because in the top here we got another trend line just to here, and from here we're going to see what's going to happen. Till now we don't got no price action here, so we need to wait in more till the right time guys. Till now there is nothing here. I think it's going to fall down more than that, but there is nothing yet. We need to wait in. Now to enter short or to enter long is too dangerous now. Now you just need to wait in. Either the market to give you here a price action is a continuation pattern, then you enter short, or the market to give you a price action here, then you enter long. And for those ones they got small account, please guys, I know you are in my Discord and my Telegram, please don't open any trade unless if me I tell you. Me when I tell you to open a trade, we using risk management, we using those things. But you go and you open trades like some people today, they enter long. Why? I'll tell you to enter long today. Anyway, now let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it guys, it's being here at the oversold area from that level here, as you see it, till down here till today. That's why me I told you those ones, they are just oscillators, and anyone here analyzing for you using oscillators or indicators, don't follow him. All those people, they never ever trade. Everything is too clear guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. If you done it, thank you very much my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.